Hi, welcome to clickmyproject.com. Title of our project is Distributed Throughput Optimization for ZigBee Cluster D Network. We have title from the domain is Parallel and Distributed System. Abstract of this project. It mainly used to transfer the file from client to server. ZigBee Cluster D Network is used for this project as well as the low cost and low power with wireless sensor networks. At the same time, ZigBee Cluster D network have the adaptive band based network because it used to for increase the bandwidth calculation and also used to without generating any extra message exchange. We can see the brief explanation of data flow diagram. Level 0. It is a client side process. We can monitor the internet speed because then the above process is used to calculate bandwidth and view it. Then next process to choose then the sending file and then send from client to server. We can move on the next level of the flowchart. It is a server side process. Retrieve the file from client. Next we can give it the center IP address and if check the file is received or not. Check the file is received, that condition is yes, so send the file to client. At the same time, then the file is received is not possible, then view the not received message in the screen. Finish. We can move on the next level of the flowchart. Then level 2 at the same client side process because then it check the file is retrieved from the server by file name and center IP address and then check or compare send and retrieve files. Then the condition is true, then file is available. At the same time the file is available to store the file name and status and then store file name and CPU process of the different tables. At the same time the file is available false, check repeated the check and compare send and retrieve files. Then finally analyzes the file name and status and then also analyze the file name and CPU process using different types of charts. Now we can see the project demonstration of the starting page. That is the starting page is the bandwidth calculation, that is bandwidth monitoring page. Because why we can calculate monitoring, that is view the calculation in the form. First we will calculate the speed of the bandwidth and then bandwidth with the MBPS and then you can calculate the packet sending size and then packet receiving size, that is calculated about the byte size value. Next we will calculate the downloading speed. It is KB per second and also uploading speed also calculate KB per second. This is the bandwidth monitoring. We can view that the calculation used as next form of the bandwidth calculation. Now you can see the calculation of bandwidth, but we will see about first the server side. It is a server side. The server side then it initially have the idle state because server is starting but does not process. Right? Then move on the client side. Then it have and show bandwidth calculation. So we will browse and get the file using this button. And then give the receiver IP address. Then click the send button. Then file contents write on the folder. Then give the file transfer successfully message on the form. And then go to the server side option. You can see the data has been received message. Move on the next form of the server. Then we give the center IP address. At the same time you will go to the client side option because you will select the file name and also give the center IP address. Then now because you will send the IP, you can get the file received option. Then next move on the next stage, file equalization. Then it is easier to view the files and click it, then view the contents of the files. At the same time we will browse the file, any type of files you will give it and then open it. Also view the contents of the file, then compare it and move on the next stage. Then this is analysis phase. You can use this analysis first only file analysis, that is used to view the file name analysis, also that is status of the file. And then this file analysis is used to file name and also CPU performance of the process. At the same time these different types of analysis and then view the different types of charts. Thank you.